Hello friends, my name is Ruchi Gupta. I am a craft tutor for past several years. Today I am sharing a new project with the CrafTreat stencils. As the festival season is coming along, I decided to make up my tray, which is a circular tray of 16-inch diameter. It is a big tray and I have used all CrafTreat chalk paints to give it a base. CrafTreat had recently launched these border stencils, which were very exciting for me, and I decided to use them as the borders on the sides of the tray. And I will be teaching you a new technique of gold foiling. Yeah, then I decided to place the border stencil with the masking tape, and then I took some Cadence cream foil bond, which is the essential part for foiling work. This has to be applied with a palette knife and has to be dried naturally for about 30 minutes till it turns translucent, and then only we can do the gold foiling. After around 30 minutes, just check whether all your stenciling work has turned translucent. If it turns translucent, then only go to the gold foiling part. If it hasn't, then wait for a little while more. In order to create the background for the center part of the tray, I took a big stencil from CrafTreat. These stencils are very good in design and have very fine lines which can be manipulated in any way, and here I am using some archival ink with a brush to make my background design. For my focal point here on the tray, I am using the cream foil bond on the damask stencil. The stencil has very fine lines and details and looks extremely beautiful when placed in the center part of any design. I did the similar technique on another glass bottle also. This technique is very versatile and can be used in any place. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. It was a delight to work with the CrafTreat stencils. The quality of the stencils is amazing. I worked on the back side of the tray also, as I like to place my trays in such a way that they are visible from both the sides. Thanks.